Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Arushi Dudeja. I'm an MD dermatologist, hair transplant surgeon and a vaginal aesthetist. So I've been practicing by the name of Dr. Arushi's Skin and Hair Clinic, and I'm basically located in South Delhi and Golf Course Road, Gurugram. See, skin and hair being the most important asset of an individual, so chota changes we bring such big impact on them, and the confidence level they get after having such changes, that is priceless. When I see the smile on their faces now, it's a moment to cherish. So my scope of services includes being any sort of infection related to skin, hair, any sort of allergic reactions, or any sort of pigmentation issues, acne problems, or if we are talking about hair, then hair transplantations, scalp micropigmentations, and yes, one unique thing, that is a vaginal aesthetics, so which includes basically treating any sort of pigmentation in your private areas or any sort of skin sagging. Yeah, that's it. So basically, my care philosophy includes not going by the trend. Like there is a very trending term is anti-aging. See, aging is a very natural process. Why do you have to anti it? Basically, I personally believe in aging gracefully. You should look graceful according to your age. That's it. So my advice to all of you is, don't go overboard with any sort of trending stuff that is going on, be it related to skin or hair. Just be gentle with your skin and hair and you will go a long way. Thank you.